SQL injection is a technique used to gain access to the contents of a database without providing any correct user credentials. This is done by inputting bits of PHP code using the username or password field of a login form in such a way that the logic of the SQL query is altered. PHP scripts which provide access to databases should be written in such a way that SQL injection is difficult, if not impossible. At present, our script, display.php, which returns records from the database testDB, is wide open to such an attack, and in this lesson I'll demonstrate how this is done. Open up a new tab and Google SQL injection. Go to the Wikipedia page on the topic, actually incidentally I've bookmarked this, and scroll down until you find the bit of code which says opening quote and then or 1 equals 1. Copy this and paste it into the password input box in login.html in the browser. You can leave username empty, or you can put random text in there. You can put XYZ in there. Press login and you will see the entire contents of the database. You've just cracked the security and got inside without supplying any valid username or password. Let's look and see how this works. In display.php, delete $password from the SQL statement, leaving the single quotes enclosing it in position, and paste in the SQL injection snippet. Now this effectively says show everything, that's the show star, if username is empty, or password is empty, or 1 equals 1. As we left the username empty, and 1 does equal 1, we gain access to the data. The requirements have been fulfilled, and access is granted. The reason for this vulnerability is that we're able to pass the single quote marks in this OR statement straight into the SQL query, radically altering its meaning, its logic. So that's no good. We have to combat that. Remove this snippet and put back $password as before and save display.php, and in the next lesson I'll demonstrate 2 ways of overcoming this vulnerability.